how to sell email marketing templates on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining Etsy.com, which is a platform that allows you to sell or create your shop page to sell your own products. So to get started with this platform, first I'm going to show you the kind of shop pages I'm talking about. So let's check this one for example. So in today's video you're going to see how you can create a shop page like this one, how you can write like this description as you can see here, and also I'm going to show you how you can set all of these details in your shop page, how you can add the pictures of your product like these pictures and much more. So here let's just close this tab and let's click on the shop manager button to move on to creating our shop page. Let's start from the beginning, which is the shop preferences, and here you choose the shop's language, country and currency. So for the currency I'm going to change it to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the name of our shop. So here I'm going to use my niche's name as my shop name. So here it will need to be shortened. So this is good now. Click on save and continue. And here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can now, and you'll be able to edit this later. So guys, just for you to know, if you left one of these details unfilled or empty and then you click on save and continue, you will not be able to go to the next step. So make sure guys to fill the ones that are in the red color like this one. Please upload at least one picture, and also these details and much more down in the page that we're going to see right now. So let's start with photos. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. So use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. Tips: use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So just upload at least one picture to make sure to proceed to the next step. And then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. So guys, the video won't have any sound, so it will just be a muted video of the product. So for some quick tips: film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details, where we type our product's name and who made it, what is it, and when did you make it. Then you choose the category of your product. So here we have in templates, in logos and branding, in guides and how-tos, in makeup tools and brushes, in newsletter templates. So let's go with the first one, which is email marketing templates in templates. And then we have here the primary color of the product. Let's leave it empty for now. Secondary color, let's leave it empty. Occasion, let's choose anniversary. A holiday, let's choose, I don't know, let's just leave it empty too. And then we have the renewal options, if you want automatic renewal or a manual renewal. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. And then we have the description. So in order to write a good description of your product, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind the item or this item. And when you're done with your description, you have the production partners. If you want to add a new production partner, the production partner's name, location, and about him, and then about your partnership. Then we have the section, if you want to add your first section, tags, if you want to add them, and materials of your product. Then you have the inventory and pricing. So let's choose a decent price, for example, for the product, something like 29.99. Then let's turn this on for a domestic and global pricing. Then let's change the price. So for Morocco, I'm going to sell for example, 25.99, and everywhere else I'm going to sell for $30. And then for the quantity, type as much pieces as you have in that product, and for the SKU number, if you have it, type it. If not, it's optional. Then we have the variations. If you have any, you can add them in here. If not, you can just cancel. And then for the personalization, if you want to turn it on or off. And for the shipping settings, first you choose the country of origin postal code, and so on. And last but not least, you have the returns and the exchanges. So here, if you want to apply the 30 days policy, you can just click on apply. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.